Whoops. This is Erica's cooking camera show. Me and my freaking video person. They are currently. Shut up! No one wants to hear you. But you're still supposed to come film. Oh. I can't help you with that. So I'm making turkey burger and some turkey Italian sausage. Oh yes. When? I'm sorry. I'm ADD. I am not responsible for what I do. Video person, what are you doing? No, shh. You gotta be quiet about it, though. Okay. Do your thing. I think I just threw in on accident. Nobody wants to get close to that. So basically, when I make turkey burgers, where is it? There it is. I always mix in like some Lipton's onion soup mix. The dry mix with it makes them real good. See how I just gave you that amazing cooking tip? Welcome. You will be when you eat those freaking burgers. You can use it on beef burgers too, I'm sure. I don't know why not. Beats meat, right? Oh shit. What are you looking for? Huh? Oh my god, just film so I can put these on. Hold on. Let's do it. Oh, I need a floor. Oh, okay. Even better. Right this way, folks. No, don't make fun of the grill. Oh shit, I got the fucking spray. Don't forget your spray. It's very important. A little bit of this, well, you can use the real pan if you can afford it. I use the generic. Because I'm a broke bee. Okay. Good enough? Is it on? Is it still going? Yes? No. Oh, okay. I was like, no, I'm gonna blow myself up. Shit. That looks icky. Alright. Ew. No, I gotta wash that off. That's just not good. I can't work with that. I just can't. So if your thing is all crusty, just scrub it off. Yeah, I know people are commenting. I can't see your fucking comment right now. Oh, that was way better. I was like, ew, that's gonna get in my burger. It's gonna taste like charred ass. I assume that's what charred ass or charcoal ass. Some kind of ass. They do it. Is this a good place to put it? And then the sausage, take the least amount of time, shove it like over here. Long, yep. The other way. There? Okay. Oh, I leave it open, right? Yeah, I do. I think that's my roommate told me. I don't know, I don't listen. That's the problem. So now, we need some chips and dip. And we wait for it to be finished. And we're going to go and turn it in a second. We're going to go turn it in a second. Because it is turkey, all of it is the sausage and the burger shit. This burger, not burger shit. Anyways, the burger. What was I talking about? I had to take my medicine tonight, if you know what I mean. Whoops. I don't get that later. That's not important. Yeah, it feels good.
Don't flip them.
No, yes. It was frozen in the middle a little bit. Not much, but just a little. Just keep flipping. Look. I'll flip it again and again and again. I'm the fucking chronic flipper. You're just gonna have to deal with it. I'm gonna flip it a lot. I'm gonna flip it again. And I'm gonna flip it again. And then you go get a movie to watch. Because that is important shit right there, baby. Alright. We'll be back. Or I will.